question. If I would be a platform and as today, I will encourage the youth, especially the young women, about the proper sex education awareness, which is my advocacy. Because if we want our youth to grow up safety and healthy environment, then we have the courage to learn to understand about the proper sex education awareness. Because if I live today and as have a platform, I will encourage each and every one of my fellow SCIers to be an open mind and to give the knowledge about the proper sex education, because everyone feels valued and everyone needs to accept and everyone deserves to access and acceptable about the proper sex education awareness. Because I believe that if we work together, we can achieve things and make a difference. Thank you.